We must change now. 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 The first sentence was said in a normal, everyday conversation way. The last sentence was used to emphasize the importance of the whole sentence or message. Sentences 2 through 5, I emphasized a different word in each time. When I emphasized we, it was showing that who needed to make the change. Must was emphasized to show the importance of the change. Change was emphasized to show that change is needed. And now was emphasized to show the immediate need for change.